To stay consistent with exercise, start by setting clear and realistic goals that motivate you. Make a schedule and treat workouts like any other important appointment. Begin with small, manageable sessions and gradually increase intensity as you build strength and endurance. Choose activities you enjoy to make the process fun, and switch things up to prevent boredom. Track your progress to see improvements, which can fuel motivation, and find accountability through workout partners, apps, or classes. Rest and recovery are equally important. Avoid burnout by listening to your body and taking rest days when needed.